Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your edition and hardware. Bitlocker requires Windows 11 Pro/Enterprise and a TPM, usually 2. 0. Enable TPM and Secure Boot in UEFI if they are off, because Bitlocker uses measured boot to protect keys. Next, decide where to store your recovery key, Microsoft account for convenience, or an external USB for air-gapped security. Once that's set, open Settings, right arrow Privacy and Security, right arrow Device Encryption, or Bitlocker. Now you choose how and what to encrypt. Select Use Space only for speed or entire drive to cover deleted files. This matters for security versus time. Pick AES 128 for balanced performance or AES 256 for maximum protection, noting impact on CPU. Set your unlock method: a strong password, PIN, or TPM with additional authentication. TPM only is convenient but less portable. Make choices deliberately because they affect recovery scenarios and day-to-day access. Proceed to encrypt after review. Complete the process by saving the recovery key in at least 2 safe places: Microsoft account plus an external drive or printed copy, so you can recover later. Start encryption. It runs in the background, and you should restart and test the unlock method once finished to confirm access. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check the TPM status in device security and confirm Secure Boot is enabled in UEFI because Bitlocker depends on those. If still blocked, use the saved recovery key to regain access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.